Hi, this is Steve Harker with Harker Restorations and Finishes. Whether you're a home in Kayenta, a commercial building downtown, or a beautiful residential home you live in, we're here to do any quality of work, any size of job you need. Everybody means a lot to us. We're a restoration company. Our quality is important to us, along with the end result of satisfaction. But the size of the project that we do isn't as important as what we do on the project. What backs the longevity and makes them last so long, and what makes us different, that separates us, and it takes longer to do it, is the prep work. Everything is all about the prep work. How much foundation work you do before you paint the stucco on the exterior of a home. On our projects, on all of the sun-exposed walls, we always elastomeric them first as a reinforcement cushion for expansion and contraction before the acrylic coating ever goes on the outside. So whether it's retrofitting your roof that's old or aged, or even just repairing it to get more longevity out of it, or painting your stucco, removing the cracks, renewing it back to better than factory, or restoring your wood beams around your home, or the concrete work and would like it coated. Our painting, our beam restoration, and then our interior painting of any size or magnitude, Harker Restorations and Finishes is here for you, and we look forward to serving you.